Hi guys, Lope here. And so I'm currently working on this project and I'm about to fix the handles just like this. So I'll be showing you how to fix handles on this bag. So let's get right into the video. So today I'm working with the acrylic crystal beads. The acrylic beads, just like the crystal, and I'm working with my 0.70 fishing line and my snap scissors. So let's continue. So there are like two types of ways that you can fix handles in bag. It's either you build it up from one point to another, or you make your handles and then fix it to the bag. So today we're going to be working with this method because it is the simplest method to make handles. So first we want to cut our fishing line 0.70, and then we start building our handles with 4 beads. So we'll be using our bead matting method. If you haven't seen the video on the bead matting method, I guess you should see it so that this video is very explanatory to you. So we're going to start with 4 beads and then we'll build up our handle just like this. So we're going to make this same mat. We're going to make the second handle. So let's go right. You want to put 2 beads on each side and then cross. You continue until you get your desired length. So I've just finished the 2 mats for the handle. There's 3 sides, and now we are going to fold it. We're going to attach it like this. So first I want to finish this block, then we'll attach the handle. So I'm creating like a base for the handle to stand on. So first we want to put this handle, we want to weave it on the base. So first put our bead, then the first bead, and then you want to use one to cross it. I've attached the first one. So we want to continue. Remember, this is the little base. So you put your fishing line in the next bead on the base. On the base, you put the other fishing line on the handle, and the next bead on the handle. Then you want to cross it again. So you want to continue the same process. Put the bead. next bead on the base, then the next one on the handle, and then you also cross it. So you will notice that these have been attached to the back. So you're doing the fourth one, which is you're putting your fishing line, the last one. So you put your fishing line on the last bead of that small base, take it back to the handle, and then you cross it. From there, you have successfully attached your handle. So you want to build your handle up. The main reason why I do it like this is I want to be assured that my handle and my bag are duly connected. Like, you don't want to use a fishing line and at the end of the day the fishing line just snaps from the bag and your handle is nowhere to be found. Your noise is disturbing me. So you want to cross your bead. Cross your bead. So you continue building up. Building up. So I want to attach the other side before we now finish this up. So I will attach the other side now without talking so that you can just view it and then see what I am doing. So let's start. So I've just finished the threading the sides. So right now I'm going to make the other one off camera, and then we have our handle. So I'm presently packing this bag for my clients and the bag is ready. I'm going to show you how I pack it in a few minutes. So bag is packed. I'm ready to go. This bag is for one of my respected aunties online. Shout out to her. I hope she likes this bag. So
Bye guys, have a nice one. Peace.